In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code in your Coinbase wallet. A lot of times, you might need to scan a QR code to receive crypto, connect to a dApp, or link your wallet to a website. Don't worry, the process is really simple, and I'll walk you through it step by step. The very first thing you want to do is open up the Coinbase Wallet app on your phone. Once you're inside, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Home section. This is where most of your main wallet options are located. Now, once you're on the home page, take a look at the top area of the screen. You'll notice a small QR code icon sitting right there. Go ahead and tap on that icon. As soon as you do, your phone's camera will open up, and you'll be able to point it at any QR code you want to scan. For example, if someone gives you a QR code to send or receive crypto, or if you're trying to connect your wallet to a decentralized application, also called a dApp, on a website. This is exactly where you can scan that code. Once the QR code is scanned, Coinbase Wallet will automatically recognize it and take you to the correct action, whether that's sending crypto, receiving funds, or connecting to a site. And that's all there is to it. That's how you can quickly and easily scan a QR code in your Coinbase wallet. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.